Transmission and engine. Under the Z8's retro-styled bonnet, you'll find the S62 4941cc engine from the E39 M5. The engine was not modified to the roadster application, and as such, it produces 394 bhp and 369 lb-ft of torque. It was BMW's very first M-Power V8, and while it was certainly modified for the M5 as well as Z8 applications, it shared the majority of its structure with the standard 4.4-liter V8 located in models like the 740i, 540i, as well as the 740i of the time. It was still equipped with the hydraulic self-adjusting tappets of the engine that was its parent, making it the first power unit that didn't need its shims to be redone at the end of major service time, the same way since there were likely to have been 32 to redo. However, it did have lots of the usual M features, such as individual throttle butterflies, electronically activated to the very first time, and custom pistons, crankshafts, and conrods. In contrast to the standard BMW V8 model, the S62 included two Vanos, variable timers for valves, that operated on all four camshafts hollow.